Hi, I'm Sarah from UQuiz Games, and today I'm going to guide you through the process of making your first game. The first thing we're going to do is double-click our UQuiz Games Excel master file. This will open in protected view, so we will need to enable macros. The file will then open and it will ask us to install, so we'll go ahead and do that. Then it will ask us to close and reopen, so we'll double-click again to reopen the file, and this time it brings us straight into our game editor. From here we can enter a quiz name and select how many questions we would like, then we can manually enter our question and answer data. There's also the option to upload a quiz file, and that's what we've chosen to do this time. As you can see, all the data is entered straight into the question and answer boxes. Now comes the really fun part, which is to upload our character photos. These photos will be used in place of the clown's head. I recommend using a smiling face for the main photo, a sad face for the right photo, and a laughing face for the wrong photo. You can also choose to have any number of questions from 1 to 10. Choosing a lower number of questions removes the higher questions, however the data is only hidden, and if you reselect a higher number of questions, the data is still there. Once we're finished making all of our changes and we're happy with our quiz, we can click the Create Quiz button. The process of generating the game will then begin. Depending on the speed of your computer, this may take anywhere between 20 seconds and 1 minute. When a game has been created, it will open in Windows Explorer and you will see a new game file here. If we double-click this new file, it will open our game. As we can see, our photo has been inserted into the character. If we click play, the game will begin and we'll see all of our question and answer data has been uploaded. So that's how to make a game with UQuiz Games. If you have any questions at all, please send us an email and we'll be happy to help you.